Hello, this is Mrs. Ram. Give yourself a reason to smile because you look more beautiful when you're smiling. So, know how to balance the chemical equations and be proud of yourself. Let us start with 4 simple steps. Step 1. Count the atoms on each side of the equation. On the left side, you can find the reactants, while on the right side, you can find the products. The arrow sign separates the reactants from the products. To count the number of atoms, we consider the subscript of each atom in the formula. So on the left side of the equation, we have 2 iron, 3 oxygen, and 1 carbon atom. While on the right side of the equation, we have 1 iron, 2 oxygen atoms, and 1 carbon atom. Step 2. Use coefficients to change the number of atoms. So we write a coefficient of 2 before ferric oxide and a coefficient of 3 before carbon dioxide so that we can make the number of oxygen atoms equal. Then write a coefficient of 3 before carbon on the left side to make the number of carbon atoms equal, and a coefficient of 4 before iron on the right side so that both sides will have 4 atoms of iron. This is an example of a balanced chemical equation, where the number of atoms in the reactant side is equal to the number of atoms in the product side. In case the equation is not balanced yet, you can still change the coefficients. But do not change any subscript because once you change the subscript, you change the formula of the substance. If the equation contains polyatomic ions, then count each polyatomic ion like a single element. Do not separately count the atoms. In this example, we have 2 atoms of aluminum, 6 atoms of hydrogen, and 3 polyatomic ions of sulfate. That's all for now. Enjoy balancing and stay happy.